In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collections to your Shopify homepage. When it comes to running an online store, showcasing your products effectively is key, and today, we're going to enhance your store's homepage by adding collections. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Shopify site editor. Once you're in, your goal is to locate the option to add a section. This might look like a button labeled Add Section somewhere in the interface, typically on a sidebar or somewhere prominent on your screen. This button is the gateway to customizing what your visitors will see when they land on your store. Once you've clicked on Add Section, you'll be given a variety of options. What you're looking for is a section that enables you to display collections. A common choice for many shop owners is the Featured Collections section. This is specially designed to highlight specific groups of products that you want to put front and center, grabbing the attention of potential customers as soon as they arrive. After selecting the Featured Collections section, you'll see it pop up on your site. But we're not done yet. You need to ensure this new section showcases the collections you intend. Click on the section itself to bring up a panel on your right-hand side. This is your control center for selecting which collection you wish to highlight. In this panel, you'll see options to customize what the section displays. Here's where you choose your desired collection. This might be a collection of bestsellers, seasonal products, or whatever makes the most sense for your business needs. Choose the collection that best aligns with your marketing strategy, because what you feature can significantly impact your sales and customer interest. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to save your work. Look for a Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editor. This final step ensures all the changes you've made are live and visible to your customers the next time they visit your homepage. Don't skip it, otherwise all your tweaks won't take effect. Now, with everything saved, congratulations. You've successfully added collections to your Shopify homepage. It's a small change, but one that can have a big impact on how effectively you communicate with your audience. By showcasing key products, you're enhancing your customers' shopping experience and potentially boosting your store's sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!